And the Supreme Court has delivered judgment on the appeal which was filed in 1958. The appeal which was filed before Nigeria gained its independence was dismissed by the court as parties struggled for 65 years to get justice. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Area has more on this.
This would be the third and last time the matter would appear before the Supreme Court. For 65 years, parties struggled to get justice. The case, which was a land dispute between Agbo Ogidi community and Umeri community both in Anambra State over a large plot of land called Isiagu land, was instituted in 1958. At the trial court, the matter was decided in favor of Agbo Ogidi community in 1977. The respondent, however dissatisfied, appealed to the Court of Appeal on grounds that the trial judge who presided over the matter had already been elevated to the Court of Appeal unknown to him. The Court of Appeal as well as the Supreme Court agreed with them. The Supreme Court ordered the matter should start afresh at the trial court. This issue was challenged up to the Supreme Court, wherein the court said it was a mere technicality which ought to have been disregarded. For the third time, the court ordered parties back to the Federal High Court. The matter started again at the trial court in 2003. The matter was also challenged up to the Supreme Court. Today, after 58 years of litigation, the Supreme Court held that the land Isiagu belongs to Agbo Ogidi community. This, however, brings to question the administration of justice as well as its speedy dispensation. It also shows how the use of technicalities by lawyers can delay proceedings and justice. This delay could have been prevented if only the respondent had allowed the matter to be decided on its merits and not technicalities. The long adjournment by the court was also a contributing factor due to the dockets of cases they had. Land disputes, which are traditional matters, should not be brought to the Supreme Court. Law enforcement agencies should be able to do their job, as administration of justice also consists of institutions administering the law. It is not subjected to the court alone. As at 1958, when the appeal was filed, Stanford Foster Sutton was retiring as the Chief Justice of Nigeria, and Justice Ademola Adetokunbo became the Chief Justice of Nigeria. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.